Hi everyone, here I am with this new video in which I will discuss about WBJ counseling registration in detail. The registration for counseling of WBJ has begun from today, so you have to register yourself before the counseling process. And one more thing here is do the counseling process sincerely so as to get a good college. If you do some mistake, then you will regret later. So watch this video till the end to get all your doubt clear. And if you have any question related to counseling, do ask on my WhatsApp. You will get the WhatsApp number in the description box, and also check the description box for more videos such as top 10 college under WebG and the cutoff for top 10 college under WebG and the best 10 college at lower rank in WebG. You will get all these videos in the description box. So let us start with the So before starting this video, I would like to introduce my channel Information and Educational Videos. Here you will get all you need to know about a particular exam, about a particular college. So do subscribe and share this channel to get such information in future. So let us start with the topic, that is the registration for counseling. This is the official website of WJ 2020. Here we will do the counseling by clicking on go to WBJE counseling. This is the very important part of your counseling process. Here you don't have to do mistakes, otherwise you will face the difficulties in getting a good college. So do the counseling correctly to get the better college for your corresponding rank. So click for online registration and choice filling, and now you are on the page where you have to register yourself. Click on new candidate register if you don't have registered yet, and if you have registered then type your roll number, password and security pin. So in case you have don't registered yet, click on new candidate registration and click on this term and condition. Yes, I agree, and then select the WBJ seats only and type your roll number here, candidate name, mother's name and the date of birth as of WBJ application form, and type the security and submit it. So I am repeating again, do this counseling process very sincerely so as to get a good college of your corresponding rank. Here a single mistake will lead to give a bad college for your rank. So do the counseling sincerely. I repeat again. After filling all the details for new registration, you are here on this page where you have to fill a mobile number. Use the mobile number which is active, because WBJ use this number for delivering all the information, and enter the email and make a password of like your name starts with capital letter and at the rate or has any a special character and numeric character, and confirm your password and fill the case sensitive security pin and click on the final submit for registration. After filling that, you will be on this page where these 6 columns you have to fill. The first registration form is completed. Now you have to fill the application form, thereafter qualification detail and the contact detail, and thereafter the upload document. The document you have to upload, in the earlier videos I have talked about the document that you need to upload in PDF format, and thereafter the final submit. So let's proceed. Here you have to choose gender, and the nationality should be Indian. The state, if you belong from West Bengal then choose West Bengal, and if you are from outside then general. And After that, the subcategory, if you belong from person with disability, then tick here yes, and if not, then no. The tuition fee behavior, if yes, yes, and if no, then no. And here the bank detail, you have to enter the account holder name, account number, confirm account number, the FC code, bank name and branch name. All these details will be available on your bank passbook. So after filling this, click on save and next. After filling the registration form and application form, you are now at filling the qualification detail. Here you have to fill the English marks of class 10th and the class 12th marks detail, passing year, in which board you are from, CBSE board, Bihar board or West Bengal board, and the percentage of marks. And here you have to fill the subject wise marks for physics, chemistry, math, English, and if you have optional subject, then select from these two. And after filling all these, click on save and next. Thereafter you will able to upload your document, respective document from which category you are belonging, and thereafter click the final submit. And after doing all this, you will be able to fill the choice filling process. And for the choice filling, I will upload another video in which I will talk about how to choose the choice so as to get the best college for your rank, and what should be the preference of college in order to get those best college for your rank. Thanks. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, share and subscribe this video to all your friends so that they can do a better registration and counseling to get a good college for their corresponding ranks. Thanks.